Hi guys, back to my channel. My name is Jamisha, if you didn't know that already. And today I am going to be doing this look. Right here is going to be the picture of what the final look like. I got this look from, well, it's inspired by a look I saw on Pinterest. This, you probably can't see it, but like this, and the palette I'm going to be using today is the James Charles X Morphe palette, Artistry palette, and it looks like this. I've used it once before, and if you haven't seen that look, go check it out. Check it out on my channel with my best friend. The channel name is worryboutyourmakeup. The link will be in the description box down below. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So the intro don't be too long. Let me zoom you guys in.
Level up, 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 level up.
The first thing I want to do is take this brush that looks like this. If you can see it, it's just like very like firm, and use that to pack the color in. Wait, I didn't even prime my eyelids. What am I talking about? To prime my eyelids, I'm gonna use the Morphe primer and translucent eye primer. I'm not gonna focus on my eyebrows. I'm just gonna brush them and put some stuff on it real quick. I'm also not gonna do foundation because I don't want my face to break out. Even though my face don't usually break out after I do makeup, but I'm trying to get my skin really clear for something that's coming up this weekend. So I'm done with that. So now I'm gonna go into the palette. Oh, it's not opening. And I'm going to use the shade Skip, the bright pink. And I'm just going to pat it in. Packed it on my eye. Now I'm going to take a brush that's similar to it. It's more like sturdy. Just trying to dry it off the best I can. And I'm going to put the yellowish orange shade. So I'm gonna take the shade 518 right here, this orange shade. 518, 581. And I'm just gonna blend it, but more on the outer corner. And you want to make sure the two are nicely blended, well blended. What am I talking about? Now I'm going to take this crease brush, it's just an ultra brush, and I'm going to take the shade Rusted, and I'm just going to deepen up that orange with it. This can end really badly. to tape the name to the top. This is how it's looking so far. The colors are not really showing up that well on cameras. Maybe the light is washing it out. But yeah, I'm still blending it. Just wanna make sure it's blended. Just wanna make sure it's blended.
That's cute.
Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toffee, and I'm just gonna use this to cut my crease. Actually, I'm gonna use this smaller brush, but this brush is not even that small. This is the brush I got first. I'm gonna use this ultra brush. It's like a dual-ended brush. Okay, so let's stop recording. Go in and blend the concealer with the eyeshadow. I'm gonna take the NYX glitter primer. Place that on the outer part of. On the outer part of the shade. I'm gonna I don't have any glitter, so this is looking good. I'm gonna spray the brush with some of the Mario pedestrian. Shade actually looks glittery. I'm gonna finish this eye, then I'm gonna finish the other eye. So now I'm gonna take the shade Pinkity Drinkity, which is a light pink shade right there. I'm just gonna pack that on the rest of the part.
color.
Like that. So now I'm gonna take the white liquid NYX white liner, and my sister done destroyed this.
No, Papa.
Gotta sit back for this. Okay.
Now that this is over, all that's left is broken pieces. Oh, swimming in your waters, but I'm trying to find my way back home. I thought that we were stronger. I prayed a little longer.
So now, okay, it don't look that good, but from a distance, I think it looks good. So now I'm gonna do the black liner, and I'm gonna do a black wing, and I'm gonna use this Eyeshadow liquid liner. I've got it really good at. So I'm back, and this eye looks slightly better. Yeah, that looks way better. This eye looks way better than this eye. But like, you only take pictures of one of your eyes, and like, the liner and stuff wasn't cooperating. But I've chosen to do a little bit of face makeup.
I should've known you better than this. Got lost in your shit. That this is my fault. I'm running out of friends to call. I know I shouldn't let you back in. Don't want this to end good. River's running deep. This river is running deep inside me. River is running deep. This river is running deep inside me. 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 Hate to see you happy, 'cause I don't know how to be alone. Oh, oh. Know we're different people, but I don't know why you let me go. Oh.
So right here I'm showing my lower lash line, and I decided to put the oranges shades that I put on my lid in the inside and the pink on the outside, like mix and match. I sped this up because I didn't want the video to be too boring and too long, so yeah.
Let you back in. Don't want this to end good. River is running deep. This river is running deep inside me. River is running deep. This river is running deep inside me. Deep inside me. Deep inside me. Deep inside me. Deep inside me.
Please, allow me to show you something.
For inner corner highlight, which is what I'm doing right now, I used Ring Light from the James Charles palette, of course. And yeah, it was popping.
Wrote you a letter. Now that I'm here without you, hope that you're better. Hope that you found someone new. 'Cause I'm getting older, know that I've changed. And I can't go back now, nothing's the same. But I won't forget how you called my name. And I was afraid, now I'm afraid. So will you remember me? Will you remember the way that I was? Will you remember me? Will you remember the way?
Thank you guys for watching. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Comment down below more videos you want me to do, more eye looks you want me to do. Send me some inspiration on some pictures you would like me to do on my Instagram, which is Beauty by Jamisha, just same as this channel. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you try out this look. I hope I did a good job. I hope James did this video. He probably won't, but like, yeah. And comment below if the quality of my videos have gotten better. And comment below if I should put a background. Comment below if I should do this. Comment below any things I should change about my videos. Bye. I need an intro and an outro.